Hey folks, Jim Mueller from the American Outdoorsman. We're joining Dave and Ron York in the high countries of Colorado today, tracking a monster elk. Watch this.
Yeah, that was awesome. He just walked right by. The wind's perfect. He just came. Our plan worked perfect because where they were calling, it just brought him right up to us just like we thought. We could have killed that bull. But the wind has switched now. And it's blowing down the hill. He made us. He smelled something, but he's still pretty cranked up.
Dave notices a bull and wants to make sure that Ron sees him as well.
Down.
Ron congratulates Dave on a good shot and points out the area he saw the elk go down. Dave feels certain that his shot was lethal, but reloaded just in case. A short time later, Dave and Ron find just what they're looking for.
All right. Nice bull. Good job. Super job. Great shot right behind the shoulder, right in the lungs. Man, he didn't go, I bet he didn't go 50, 60 yards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A little 6.
Yeah, 6 by 5. Little whale's tail here. Nice little.
Yeah, it's a nice
little
wide whale.